Watch the hydraulic arm.
Moving the pile now.
Check the weight on truck 7.
It's reading 15 tons, just under the limit. Quality is good.
Clear the main access road now. The convoy is here.
All units, initiate unloading sequence Alpha.
Hold it there. All right, vamos, keep it moving.
Keep it coming, easy now.
Secure that clamp now.
Platform is rising.
Watch the belt spin.
Too much debris on this side.
Keep the flow steady on the left side.
Looks good, moving into the washer.
Check the moisture levels on batch 4B, reorganization.
Too high, sending it back now.
Keep an eye on the accumulation near the merge point.
I see it. We need to maintain the even flow into the washers.
Monitor line 3. I'm increasing the water pressure.
Roger that. Water pressure is optimal.
We're showing a slight deviation in purity levels here.
Understood. I'll recalibrate the upstream controls immediately.
The settling rate in tank 4 is stabilizing right on target.
Yes, the transparency matches the projected metrics now.
Silo 3 is stabilized at 95% capacity.
Acknowledged. Prepare the batch for quality control sampling.
All parameters are confirmed, Supervisor. The moisture content is perfect.
Excellent. The batch is approved for the next stage.
Quality control approval received. Initiating batch release sequence for downstream processing.
The flow rate is optimal according to the data, Maria.
Excellent. The consistency is perfect for the extrusion stage.
Deviation detected on the graphical map. We need to adjust upstream.
Already on it. System stabilizing, alerts clearing to amber.
The parameters are optimal. The batch is ready.
Good. Log it in the inventory system.
Fabrication line. Confirm receipt of batch 45B.
Confirmed, Supervisor. Scanning now.
Transfer complete. Commencing lamination.
The texturizing rollers are performing well. Look at the fiber alignment. Yes, the surface quality is exactly what we needed.
Check the edge consistency on line 3. It's fluctuating slightly.
Adjusting the tension now. Looks stable at 99.8.
Check the weight on this one. It seems slightly off the consistency parameters.
It's within tolerance, but let's monitor the next few rolls closely.
Ensure precise alignment on the sleeves. Once stitched, move the completed sections directly to the conveyor belt.
Look at the fluctuation here. The t-value is exceeding the threshold.
Documenting the observation now. The structural integrity is failing faster than projected.
It looks like the stitching failures spiked again on the last run.
Yes, particularly around the collar seams. We should check the automated cutters.
Scan batch 45678 for Zone A.
Confirmed. Shipment approved.
All systems green for truck 305. Authorized departure.
Seals confirmed. Documents are finalized. Clear to exit.
Roger that. See you on the next run.